Hi guys, welcome back to
Kitty Angels.
Oh, Kitty Angels, guys. We don't need to do this. Kitty Angels. Kitty Angels, guys.
Okay, guys.
This is the part 3, guys.
So,
What, guys, only? Only boys can watch this? What? How is that possibly?
can we get this back inside?
No, it doesn't. You cannot get it anymore then.
Then you're just gonna.
This is the satisfying slime video.
I wish that's our slime. Pwede mo siyang iganyan-ganyan. Okay, guys. I was just deciding. Should we?
Oh yeah!
Dikit naman yan sa slime. We're gonna make a pizza. If you're gonna make pizza, are you going to do this? You're gonna put some there.
Let me have some.
Get some there.
You have too much.
Yes. So it wouldn't stick to your hand, right, guys? If you're making a pizza makers, subscribe, pizza makers.
What?
And today we're going to put the dough. Let's imagine that we're pizza makers.
Okay.
Okay. We're gonna put.
Baka pag pumikit tayo ng mata, baka mapunta tayo sa
Pizza. Okay, let's
Pizza
close
house.
our eyes and imagine that we're making pizza. Whoa, hi! I think I'm on Pizza Hut, guys. Is this a dough? Okay. Example, I see Pizza Hut. The whole pizza place.
You have too much.
And this is the dough. This is pink, guys. This is the glue that we use, and then I'm not eating it.
I'm
Okay.
going to miss you. Pabayaan mo na. Kainis.
I have too much cornstarch. There you go.
Hati tayo.
Yeah, we don't need to hati.
We need to get it back.
Oh. Yan yung ginagawa ko sa pulbos pag madami. Okay, guys. This is Kitty Angels. Parang pumuti talaga. Guys.
It has been clay.
Hey, why don't you just stand there? Just need to stand for our vlog. There you go. Told you! This slime can clean up the whole tablet. Look at the tablet.
Oh yeah, thank you. Cannot zoom daw, sabi niya. Yeah, like that.
This can clean it. Use your slime.
Wait a minute. I need more glue. My hands is full of cornstarch. Let me have some here.
Okay, guys.
We should take my mom.
He's a superhero.
What? 4 minutes already?
What? 4 minutes?
I think that's just 2 minutes.
We need to put water in this.
How?
I was just gonna get some water in this container.
Okay, guys, she's going to leave me. We need to hide. Okay.
Tinik, sarado mo tong
Wait a
pintuan.
minute,
Si Mika, ayan na si Mika. Okay, go, sarado mo.
Just open na lang mamaya.
What?
It's even squishier. Wait a minute, guys. I'm enjoying. Don't disturb me. There we go. This is the water I get, which is color white. Mine is blue. Yung reaction mo pag yung naging isa.
Hinano mo na ka mo. Bakit ka naman?
Of course, we need to put blue here. Look, it's getting sticky. Okay, guys. It's getting liquid. No! Yeah. Has blue in it. That's why I don't like to watch blue and water. look at the cornstarch. It's only bug now. It became peach. Ang layo ng kulay niya sa kulay ng blue natin. Kasi tayong pinapulis kasi yung ihi. Kainis naman. Ito naman. Alright, guys. Ganas ka na. Ano? Hair routine. Gawa kaya tayong night routine. Kunwari, no one has a night routine. Stacy and Rachel may night routine. But they have a beautiful height. And we don't have... Kati! Kunin mo yung... Oh! Kung makuha, please. Mahal yan, 3.5 yun. Yung Crocs ko yun. Hindi ko alam. Busan mo siyang tubig. Busan mo siyang tubig sa spoon. At teaspoon lang. Uy, wala na. Uy, nandun pa yun sa monsters. Ako din, hindi ko maakuha. Kaya tayo. Aray! Pagayin. Ow! Ow! My hand! Aray. How to get it? But it's raining. Ikaw na lang, wala akong chinelas na isa. Oh, mayroon kita. Wait lang. Dito. Uy, samahan mo ko. Basta I will bantay you. Guys is waiting. No, not there. Here. Ikaw na lang. Please. I'm not let to be mamasa. Ate kita, tapos mag-birthday ako, ganito ako. Oh. Wait a minute. Use this. Or this. Huwag na madudumi yung tayong Crocs ko. Crocs? Okay, guys. My slipper fell in the... I cannot show. This is my slipper. Please, guys, save it. It's 3,500 pesos. Why is it glitching? Oh, yeah, it's good. I cannot get it, guys. Please help us. Wait lang, pag magdadasal na. Yan, patulong tayo kay Kuya. Yan, patulong ka. Look lang. Dilima! O tayong dalawa, sabay tayo patulong.
Meron po. Meron ba? Apat lang mo.
Ay, hindi ba ganyan? Ilang gramo?
Apat lang po.
Pagwanang dinalat yung drawer.
Kala ko.
Ang bilis na, mahal. Yun, samahan mo ko.
Ah! Samika! Samika! Just go to kilas faster. Okay na yan. Okay na. Okay na yan. Mag-deliver yung...
Tara!
Mabilis. Tayong dalawa para pair.
Rock, paper, scissors. Lagay mo yung
Sino
slime mo
manalo?
dyan.
Kasino manalo siyang?
Okay, guys, bye. We have a gone wrong thingy.